Today we are in our FingerPower Primer level and we're playing number 23, sharps and flats. And this is a little bit of music theory here for you. The sharps is the hashtag sign or the number sign or pound sign. And the flat sign is a tiny B. And the sharps raise our note 1/2 step. Our flats lower our notes 1/2 step. So let's take a look at this real quick. So if a sharp raises our note 1/2 step, here's C sharp, here's D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. Now with our flats, if they lower them 1/2 step, it looks like this. D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, B flat. Okay, so let's take a listen to this and watch the fingering and see how this sounds. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now did you notice that the sharps and the flats, even though they have a different name, like C sharp and D flat, they're the same note? Okay, we'll be learning a lot more about sharps and flats as we go along. It is a world of fun to learn sharps and flats.